9 passive income ideas for 2023. There are many different ways to generate passive income and change your financial future. Whether you're looking to earn just an extra $1,000 per month on the side, or go into something full-time and replace your current salary, different passive income ideas require different levels of work and time. Upfront work is required, so don't expect to get rich overnight. But with a plan in place and the right kind of motivation, you can see success much sooner than you think. So if you're looking for some inspiration on how to start your own passive income business, make sure to check out this video. Let's get started. What is passive income? Passive income is money you earn that doesn't require you to do a lot of active work to continue making it. In essence, you can do most of the work up front and put in some additional effort along the way to earn an income. For example, if you create an online course, you just need to update its content to keep the money flowing. You've probably heard the expression, make money while you sleep. That's the biggest draw that entices people to earn passive income. 9 passive income ideas to help you make money in 2023. Number 1. Start a dropshipping store. Dropshipping is one of the most profitable passive income sources. With dropshipping, you can find trending products on marketplaces like AliExpress to sell to customers around the globe. You can fill your online store with items from various dropshipping niches, such as fashion, home decor, or beauty. The magic of dropshipping is that you build your own business and decide how much you charge for the products. In fact, from all the passive income ideas on this list, dropshipping is the one where you have the most control over your margins. You can sign up for Shopify to start dropshipping today. Once you create an online store, install one of these dropshipping apps to find high-quality products to sell. Number 2. Build and monetize a blog. Another popular passive income stream originates from blogging. Blogging has helped countless entrepreneurs earn passively through affiliate links, courses, sponsored posts, products, book deals, etc. It can indeed take quite a bit of upfront work to build a successful blog. However, it's one of the most sustainable ways to generate an audience through organic and social traffic, or building an email list. The biggest perk of having a blog is that you can turn that one asset into several different streams of income. So if you're looking for an easy passive income idea, blogging might be the perfect option for you. Number 3. Create and sell online courses. If you're an expert in some subject or field, selling online courses may be a great passive income idea for you. Whether you sell them through your own website or online learning platforms like Udemy, you'll find plenty of individuals who are willing to pay to access your content. Of course, things are easier if you sell on platforms like Udemy, but your course may be heavily discounted during certain periods. This will affect how much passive income you earn. In contrast, selling through your own website gives you control over pricing, meaning you don't have to sacrifice your margins just because others are selling at a discounted price. Number 4. Publish Instagram sponsored posts. If you have followers on Instagram, you might want to try your hand at creating sponsored content. Instagram sponsored posts are content pieces that endorse a specific product or service, usually owned by a sponsorship party. Sponsors compensate publishers for creating and distributing content that promotes their business. The secret to getting sponsored is to get more Instagram followers. You'll also want to be super consistent with the type of content you post so sponsors know what to expect. And be sure to focus on just one niche. Brands prefer creators who can publish quality content around a specific topic. When it comes to your Instagram bio, be sure to add your email address. As your account grows, you can hire virtual assistants to create sponsored posts on your behalf. The more sponsored post requests you get, the more passive income you'll be able to generate. Number 5. Create a print-on-demand store. With e-commerce being one of the most popular ways to make passive income online, it only makes sense to give a shout out to print-on-demand. Print-on-demand allows you to sell your custom graphics on products like t-shirts, clothing, mugs, canvases, phone cases, bags, and more. The best thing about this is that you can build your own branded products. The only downside is that you need to be savvy at graphic design because the margins are often too thin to outsource the designs affordably. However, if you create that unique winning design, your sales will take off. Plus, it's not a super competitive business since other brands are unlikely to sell the same designs. Don't hesitate to start right away with Shopify. Number 6. Create an app. By now, you've probably noticed a trend. creating stuff tends to lead to passive income. This is even more true in the world of mobile software. If you're a developer or programmer, you might want to try creating apps as a passive income stream. You can go about it in two ways. First, you can charge a fee for people who want to buy your app. Second, you can make your app free and monetize with ads. Number 7. Invest in stocks. When analyzing the income sources of the world's richest people, it's pretty safe to say that stocks have played a big role in their deep, endless bank accounts. While the act of investing in stocks is pretty passive, the research that goes into it is active. Warren Buffett reads 500 pages a day, but he's not reading your average mystery book. Nope, he reads businesses' annual reports. By doing this, he better understands whether or not a business is performing well, which helps him improve his ability to invest in stocks. Stock investments can help you earn passive income that stretches far beyond what your value at your 9-to-5 job is worth. So consider this passive income idea if you're up to date on various markets and industry movements. Number 8. Buy and sell properties. Depending on where and when you buy, real estate can be a good way to make passive income. In popular cities like Toronto, housing prices are expected to rise by 10% from last year's average price of $1,054,992. By purchasing pre-constructed condos, you may land some lower-cost properties that'll increase in value by the time it's finally built, allowing you to sell the property for a profit once it's complete. As with all investments, it can be risky, so it's best to speak with a real estate agent if you're new to the game to help you buy the right investment property. Number 9. Rent out your spare room. If you have an extra room in your apartment, you can rent it to someone for a specific duration. Platforms like Airbnb will connect you with people who are looking for their next gateway. Airbnbs are preferred because they're usually cheaper than hotels, meaning you can make a higher passive income by listing your free space on Airbnb. It's worth noting that becoming an Airbnb host requires work up front. You might have to renovate or furnish your room before listing it on the marketplace. To make it truly passive, you can hire a part-time property manager to create listings and look after your properties. Keep in mind, though, that they'll charge a monthly fee between 8 and 10% of the monthly rent collected. Strengthen your financial future with these passive income ideas. Passive income can really help elevate your earnings and fill in the gaps that your 9-to-5 job can't fill on its own. If you're looking to create an additional income stream so you can strengthen your financial future, the ideas on this list can help you do that. And it's okay if you like your full-time gig too. The work that goes into earning passive income tends to be manageable when paired with a 9-to-5. So yep, you can do both. Whether you're looking to start a dropshipping store, start your own agency, or create profitable content, you'll find that there's money to be made in all these areas. All you need to do is get started. I hope you guys surely liked and enjoyed our video. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for upcoming videos. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.